New Mac Mini is small, but is it really portable? I don't think so. So I decided to make a challenge to make it portable. And what do I mean by portable? By portable, I mean that I can fit everything in this backpack that I need to use this Mac Mini anywhere where I want to. So did I complete the challenge? Give me a second. So this backpack is now ready. I've packed here everything that I think should be enough to use this Mac Mini anywhere that I want to. And we will test if it is enough and if I can right here just use this Mac Mini. Let's open this backpack and I will show you what is inside. The biggest problem was the keyboard, and I could use a little keyboard like this that would really easily fit in this backpack, but I didn't want to because it can be good for a smart TV, but for normal PC usage it wouldn't be comfortable, so I have packed a full keyboard right here, and this was the hardest part because it barely fits inside, but I have a keyboard. Next, I have a Mac Mini, a mouse, power cable, USB-C cable, energy storage, and most important, portable screen. And that's all what I have in this backpack. So let's see if I can use Mac Mini only with those items. I connect the monitor to the PC using this USB-C cable. And the second cable is a power cable and don't need any more cables. It is connected to this energy storage and it should be working. Let's see. I hope you hear that sound. It was the sound of Mac Mini starting. And we have only two cables, one for the screen, second one for the power. And I don't know if you can see it well because I have really bright lights right here, but here we have a start screen. And I have a keyboard and mouse connected via Bluetooth to the PC. And I have a fully functional PC, which is really powerful because this is the newest Mac Mini, so it has plenty of power. And I can fit everything in this backpack and use it anywhere where I want to. And the most important thing that many of you may think about is for how long I can use my Mac Mini anywhere that I want to. Because of course, if I am off-grid, at some point I will drain all the energy from this energy storage. So for how long I can use it? The answer is, of course, it depends. It depends on what you are doing on your Mac Mini or any other PC, because it is universal. You could connect on other PC to a station like this. And how big is your energy storage? This Mac Mini can use up to 65 watts maximum. And this energy storage has a capacity of 65 watt hours. So at full power, I could use this Mac Mini for 1 hour. But of course, usually I don't use a full power. It usually at a normal work use around 15 watts. So it should last for around 4 hours of normal work without any super resource requiring processes like video rendering. So around 4 hours I could use it. If I would use a power saving mode and lighter job, I could get a few hours more. And of course, if you have a bigger energy storage than this one, you could also use it for a longer time. So it depends for how long you can use. In this setup, I could use it at least for 1 hour, normally around 4 hours, maybe a few hours more if I would try to. But if you want to check how long you could use it for, you could use a really simple energy meter or a smart socket with energy meter, and you can see at your usage how much energy does your computer use, and then you can decide how big energy storage do you want to buy, And if you know how much energy your computer uses and how big is your energy storage, you can calculate for how many hours in your situation you will be able to work off-grid anywhere where you want to. So I think this challenge is successful. I've managed to pack into this small backpack. There are much bigger backpacks. This is a small portable backpack. I could pack inside everything that I needed to run this Mac Mini anywhere when I want to, where there isn't any electricity or anything, just a place to put my keyboard, mouse and screen. And it is not for 5 minutes, I can use it for at least 1 hour when I want to. So write in the comments what do you think about this setup, if you have any suggestions to improve it. And that's all for today. Like, subscribe and be nice.